Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you video 2 of Biggestcraft. That's www.biggestcraft.com. Now, before we open this magnificent pieces, I want to tell you a bit more about Biggestcraft. As you all by this time know, they specialize in cross stitch. So anything cross stitch under the sun, you can get at Biggestcraft. Their customer service is amazing, their shipping is fantastic, and their products never disappoint. So you can find all the newest beaded cross stitch, you can find all kinds of cross stitch, you can find all the tools and accessories, and even cross stitch crafts. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at Biggestcraft, you use my discount code, which is RELLA2, for extra $2 off. And if you buy for $49 or over, you do get free shipping. That is amazing, but that is not all. That's the best thing of it all. The November special is still on for 10 days and 20 hours. And if you buy over $40, you get $3.99 off, and the code is BGC3.99. I will leave everything in the description box, so don't worry. And then automatic discounts. For only $1, if you buy one thing, you get 15% off. And then for $59 or over, you get 18% off. And for $99 or over, you get 21% off. Now that is fantastic savings. They've loaded new stock today. Run and go and have a look. Now, we've all said and done. Let me tell you first. You can see the theme is Christmas. So November and December, everything will be Christmas themed. And it's the season to be jolly. So you will see everything is Christmas themed. And that will only normalize after Christmas. Now, now we've all said and done. Let's have a look what we got here. Where is... I'm seeing ants. Or is it little, we call them muggies. While you look at that picture, we call them muggies. It's little fruit fly things. There's no food or nothing in here. There's little goggles that's coming in that I see. It's night time. We're in the middle of a heat wave, and oh my word, it's warm. You guys don't even want to know. Let me put this for the little cats to play with for a little while to leave me alone. Alright, so it's a beautiful picture, as you saw there. Last week I opened 2 other hippie chicks for you. Here's the third one. The 4th picture is not about a hippie, and you will see. I think it's adorable, and I hope for the best. But I know we're going to get awesome stuff. Alright, the pattern is printed on my my favorite shiny film for durability. Please don't get it wet in front, because if you do, you're going to be very, very sad. This is not water resistant. Oh, nice. We've got 45 colors. I'm happy. Look at her. She's got this beautiful crochet jacket on, flowers in the hair, and she's crocheting. So it's 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters. There's your instruction leaflets printed on your pattern. 190 stitches by 190 stitches. 45 colors. And before I forget, 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble in a little tube. I like these tubes more than the poof ball. I promise you guys, look. Yay! Alright, so perfect. I'm very happy. 45 colors. And you guys must see that colors. I can see it from where I sit. And it's gorgeous. It is really gorgeous. Oh, jeez. Excuse me. Alright, so let's have a look at this. Bright white canvas. Beautiful. It is. Serge all the way around for our convenience. This is really pretty. The print is spectacular. 11 count, 50 by 50. And she's a busy lady. There's some block stitching, but then this is not the worst confetti in the world. But remember, the more confetti, the more detail you get. Amazing, right? Yeah, this is fantastic. 45 colors. I absolutely adore it. I chose them with eyes closed. This is gonna be, oh, this is gonna be so nice. Beautiful. Now let's look at the pretties. Let's get the crinkle out of the way. They are floss drops, and let's see. Oh no, what am I doing? Don't do that. Okay. Oh, look at these colors. Oh, my Stitchy soul. There's the purples and reds on the other side. They're amazing. Yes. Look at this. Amazing. Oh, my soul. Okay, so sorry, I'm a bit distracted here. Alright, so let's have a look. Look at that. Oh, wow. Sorry guys, you are hearing crinkling. It was probably not the best idea to give Gracie and Pepsi the paper. But these colors are popping. It is beautiful. Let me have a look here. Alright. Fantastic product. Okay. So I'm very, very happy. This is gonna look amazing. Now while I pack this away, I just want to ask, if it's your first time watching my videos, please press that subscribe button if you want to. By doing that you help me out a lot, and it's for free. Also, if you like this video, press the like button and leave me a comment. People, chat to me. Leave me a comment in the comment box. I will get back to you. Alrighty then. Oh no, I let this fall. Just give me a second. I am making a mess here. Alright. Okay, so everything's there. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to look at that one, and it's amazing. Let's just grab this one out quickly. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay, with this one we also got 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble in a little tube. Like I told you guys, I love the little tube more. It's nice. Okay, the pattern is printed on my favorite shiny film. Oh, just stop them there, please. Throw this away, please. Sorry, I just asked, the cats are going crazy behind me. It is crazy. Alright, so it's on my shiny favorite film for durability. The front, please don't get it wet. And by this time, you know, it's not water resistant. 45 colors. I'm super happy. And look at her. Oh, my word. A leopard. A leopard with an elf. Oh, it is beautiful. Look at this. Nice, eh? Oh, wow. Very, very nice. I'm showing my daughter here. So it's 11 count, 50 by 50. And then we've got our instruction leaflet printed on our pattern. I can't stop staring at it. It's so beautiful. You guys must see the colors. 190 by 190, 45 colors. And she looks very busy, but that's good. Look at her silver hair. Oh, she is just... I love leopard print. I don't know who else loves leopard print. I love leopard print. Okay, so let's have a look at the canvas of the... I squish this one back. Yo, I'm getting nice things. It's beautiful. Alright, we got our pure white Ada, and then it serves all the way around for our convenience. Now, this one is a busy one, people. Now, this one is very confetti. I'm not gonna... It's not the worst I've seen, but this is heavy. 45 colors. And it's busy. But it should be busy. We've got a whole leopard to do, man. Look at that. All the detail is there. You can see it clear as day because she's got this big, big ice blue eyes. And it's... Oh, this is gonna be... It's gonna be really pretty. Really, really. I need to finish stuff so I start new stuff. But you guys will see the next 2 months. It won't be, my stitch-alongs won't be scheduled, because you will see tomorrow what I'm gonna do. You will hear all about it. Alright, so this is amazing. Like it a lot. like it too much. Now let's have a look at this. Look at this pastels. It's just something soft about. There is dark colors, don't get me wrong, but look, there's so much soft colors in as well. Okay, so let's have a go. As you can see, it's 45 colors and it's on floss drops again. Okay, there you go, and look at this. Oh, there's my favorite purple. Look at this colors. This is gonna be such an amazing stitch. I just love the colors and the picture and everything about it. It is super duper amazing. There you go. What amazing products. Now while I pack this away, I want to thank Biggestcraft. Wow. Amazing. Beautiful products. Thank you very much. Then, to you, my viewer, run over there to Biggestcraft. Go and look what they loaded new. If you like these, I'll leave the links. They're amazing. And make use of the special offers. It is almost Christmas. Time to get that gifts stacked up so you don't have to do it a week before the time. And then, lastly, thank you for always watching and supporting me. I really appreciate it with my whole heart. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.